Look at this serenity where I'm sitting, guys. Bongani will bed me. I've made prayers and then now I'm just relaxing. Like by the Umgeni River at Blue Lagoon. Okay, it's a nice place to relax. Listen to the Zen Dizama say come up. I'm trying to relax, guys. And then yeah. Abakuthi phezulu kanjani eDurban North. The city officially comes to an end here. And then that's Blue Lagoon, bajwayele ukudlalisa iy'kebhe la ey'ncane zey'ngane. And then behind that building, a country club. And then I'm a country club amathathu empeleni ngala. All right.